The driver and passenger seats can be adjusted to slide forward, back, or reclined. The adjustment bar for sliding forward or back is at the front of the seat, near the floor. Pull the bar upward and you can slide the seat either forward or back. Release the bar once the seat is in the desired position. You can also alter the front and rear height and lumbar adjustments. You'll find the height adjustment levers on the center outboard side of the seat. The front lever adjusts the front edge, and the rear lever controls the back. To raise either side of the seat, lift the appropriate lever with zero or minimal weight applied to the seat cushion. To lower either side of the seat, just lift the appropriate lever and apply weight to the cushion. The recline knob is on the rear outboard side of the seat. To recline the seat back, lean back, rotate the knob toward the rear to position the seat back as desired. To return the seat back to its normal upright position, lean forward, rotate the knob forward until the seat back is in the upright position. The lumbar support feature allows you to increase or decrease the amount of lumbar support. The lumbar control knob is located on the rear upper outboard side of the driver's seat back. Rotate the control forward to increase and toward the rear to decrease the desired amount of lumbar support. The armrest height adjusting rotating knob is located underneath the front of the driver's and passenger's armrest. Rotate the knob to adjust the armrest up or down. This video is not intended to take the place of your owner's manual. For complete details and other important safety information, please see your owner's information.